Is Bowditch out there? And
Just wait for Ken Road and his first up, right?
that's the files I got.
Yep. Well, they're sitting. That's green.
Yeah, we got quite a pile. Sure.
We might have already. Very much explosive that that's listed at last time you do not have. Sorry. That's okay. Yeah.
What am I talking about?
Spell something. Okay, because put it just needs to put in the file.
Are we crossing off, Judge?
We're down to the bottom.
Okay. Defense have one of the files there for you.
Yeah, I got no plea agreement for her. How about Nadine Rue?
Records in QMP 64917. Hearing today on behalf of the
I understand Ms. Rue is going to plead responsible to double parking. She's agreed to pay fines a cost of $225 and all three charges, dog at large, and dog at large would be dismissed. Is that correct? And Ms. Rue, can you pay that today?
I can pay next November.
Third,
Which is it?
I'm gonna put it on the 58. All right, so those three misdemeanors will be dismissed when we get the $225 payment on or before the 3rd. Any questions? All right, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. How about Crystal Miller? We can pass. We just want a German on that one.
That's gonna be kind of the theme for the next year.
Same with Chavez?
Yeah, just looking to get some attendance records, figure out exactly what's going on.
All right. Is Ms. Chavez in the building or in the room? Ms. Chavez, we're gonna get you an adjournment on today's file, but it looks like you owe us money on some other stuff. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan?
Yes.
Can you do that before you leave the building?
First for time to pick my son up from the bus stop, so I can come back instead of.
You can do it online, but it's a lot easier if you just come back.
Okay.
So
Okay.
how about tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'll just make a note. We'll expect you tomorrow. If you gotta go, go. We'll mail you a notice for, when is it gonna be, November?
No, Mr. Bo, do you want November 18th?
That would be fantastic.
Yep.
So the next court date would be November 18th, 1:30. We'll mail it to the Bridgewood address.
Thank you.
That work? That works?
Yeah.
Okay. And Andre Bradford.
Your Honor, we are unable to resolve this. The police chief might indicate otherwise.
I just say adjourn. All four files, November 18th. And Mr. Bradford, you owe us some money on other stuff too, lots of money. Have you talked to, folks downstairs about a payment plan or a community service plan or some combination of charity work and money?
Service and then, I had a school about there. I missed a couple of Fridays.
So you had been doing some community service? Go down and talk to Mr. Taylor, get set up again. Got to do something to close the files. All right. All right, have a seat. We'll get you a notice to come back in November. That's it. Last, I don't have any more plea agreements.
Ms. Miller.
We're doing adjournment. Miller's an adjournment. Miss Miller, we're just gonna get you a piece of, where's Miss Miller? We're just gonna get you a piece of paper for the court date in November. I've got Thomas, Quinny, and Kennebrew.
So there's a number of people that listed, by the way, to the attorney, and just handle it.
I didn't even hear that.
Yeah, all right. Yes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna call them to see if it's coming in or not, and if not, then yes, you
Yeah,
could
just
handle.
parties left.
What is it? You're saying, what is,
When he is here.
I don't know if the body's here. I got files.
I spoke to her. She's.
How about
We're looking for her.
Asia Thomas?
That's the other party.
Okay,
Asia Thomas and Queen, the other two parties left out there.
okay. And Miss Kennebrew's files are here.
Civil infraction too, that I understand is gonna be adjourned.
I don't have a plea agreement. I don't have a plea agreement on anything.
Tim had it,
Okay.
but that's not what it should.
The warranted file you want adjourned,
The warrants to file,
I was kind of.
Oh, here's the plea agreements.
well, try to get.
So, yeah, so I've got one file, 981. It's a blight ticket from September 16, 24. Is that being dismissed?
No, being adjourned.
All right, is that the only file that's scheduled today and then the rest is all just reviews?
Those are motions.
Motion hearings? Whose motion?
Prosecutors, this is a civil matter, made up the blight on the property. Court has
So-
the opportunity to review my opinions on it.
All right. So that would be the April 29, 25 blight on property, case ending in 594, and then 596, blight on property, incident date 429. And then April 29 again, case number ending in 595. So those three civil infraction blight tickets, that's the motion.
Falls Ryan, we're here pursuant to MCL 600.
Yep. All right, have you discussed the motion with Ms. Kennebrew today?
I'm not sure if the court.
All right. Ms. Kennebrew, you understand what the motion is that's up today? You do understand what the motion is? Okay, if you don't mind, let her know what's going on.
I'm gonna take long comes, can I rip them?
Just missed the money, you just said that you got it on the third? Yeah, yep, just make sure the payment's done by November 3rd, otherwise you'll set. Okay, does that attorney said, you want to actually give me something, when something, so I just died on. I mean, you can hang out, but if you want to talk with him, but you're all cut it otherwise. Okay, thank you.
You know.
Oh.
I thought the defense attorney wanted to-
Yeah. And is he said over the
So we're just waiting for those last few parties.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Frankie's is that.
He's supposed to be doing it last year, then they're giving him the time. Gotta find something to do. That can be put into keys on it. For announcing it. You?
What?
Another version.
Okay, I really didn't expect this to take 2 hours.
Yeah.
He's only stretching his finger,
Huh?
stretching his finger.
Taking them off the purpose.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Which Josh said by the time ours finally gets posted to them, he really signs for the places and he can't get to us. And he says, I want you guys, and so I look at this, we go to go fight him to the doctor.
Yeah. All right, let's get it again, before we down 911.
That's what's going around. You might be one through the ground there.
Good rainbow. Rainbow. Yes.
What's that?
Get in.